Assalamualaikum and it is our first meeting. My name is Muhammad Aris bin Tamsari. The purpose of meeting today is to discuss and distribute the tasks to each member group. I have decided to divide the tasks into 3 sections. First, report, second, slide presentation, and last, research information. So, I will pass to each member group to continue their session.
Thank you to Muhammad Aris. My name is Fatimatul Nadira binti Cik Yahya.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Nur Hakim Mishaino. Okay.
My name is Muhammad Daniel bin Muhammad Isham.
My name is Muhammad Alif Iman bin Azhar.
My name is Dana Batusha binti Azhar.
My name is Anis Yusra binti Yusri.
For our meeting today, we're gonna discuss about the PBL statement and PBL task. I will pass our meeting to Diana to continue our meeting.
Thank you to Aris. So, I will continue to shortly briefing about the PBL statement. Selangor is facing water disruption problem for quite some time. On 28 October 2021, it is reported that AIS Selangor is looking into ozone water treatment system to overcome the problem as shown in figure 1. Ozone water treatment system diagram is shown in figure 2. This diagram is owned by a company which is West Water Technology and Solution, where they presented the water treatment diagram as shown in figure 2 in their webinar in 2020. So, I will pass to Anis Yusrina to talk about the PBL task.
Okay, thank you, Diana. So, I will explain a little bit about PBL tasks that we go through after this. Okay, we as an engineer that has a price sensor, you are required to form a team to analyze figure 2 and identify the sensor that are significant in the diagram. The team are expected to come with a proposal and PowerPoint presentation with a minimum list 5 of sensor that can be proposed in figure 2. The proposal must include technical explanation on fundamental theory of the sensor such as technical circuit drawing, significance components in the circuit, and etc. The component sensor are the level sensor, flow sensor, displacement sensor, and many more. So we pass to Dania.
Okay, for this task, we have to construct a team, and for the team position is as presented right now. The first one, chairman, secretary, vice secretary, engineering team, 2 people, and also 2 people for the researchers team. And now for the first one, we're going to pick our chairman. So any suggestion who's up for the position?
Yes, I want to suggest Aris to be a chairman.
I strongly agree with Hakim's suggestion. I believe that Aris is appropriate to be a leader.
So I think we have the majority. So Aris, what about you? Are you okay with that?
I will be responsible to take this position as the chairman.
Okay, so we have our chairman. Congrats. So next for secretary and vice secretary. You guys have any suggestion who is suitable for that position?
Okay, I have a suggestion for secretary. Okay, girls, in my opinion, are better suited to work as secretary because they have more creative ideas.
I think I want to volunteer to be secretary, and I'm sure Alif, you can be my vice secretary.
Yes, I will do as you request.
Alright, good. So next, we need 2 persons for engineering team. I myself volunteer to be part of this team, and I need another person. So who's going to be in the team?
I think I can help with that, but before that, may I ask what is the job scope for engineering team?
So basically, engineering team, we're going to solve the problem that are given to us. So are you okay with that?
I will use that. Alright, thank you.
Alright, next. The remaining is researcher team. So Hakim, what about you?
So I see me and Anis are the remaining person that are left. So automatically we should take part in that team. Okay.
I agree with the task given by Akim for researcher. Thank you.
Oh, okay. So we have done distributing our position. So for the next part, I think we have to give our chairman to have a talk, maybe.
First, I want to thanks to each member to join this meeting, and I hope this project gonna be successful and we see in our next meeting. Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Assalamualaikum and congratulations to everyone who made it to today's meeting. Okay, the purpose of today's meeting is to discuss which sensors are required and have the best performance for the system. Today, we talk about how to solve Selangor water problem, which is that the Selangor Water Company want to install an ozone water treatment system. This system is known as reverse osmosis water. In this system, various sensors will measure pH value, water speed, water concentration, turbidity, and many more. Additionally, the process required is very true and must be meticulous to ensure the safety of user after the water has completed for the treatment process and is safe to use. I also believe that ladies and gentlemen already have suggestion that the sensor you choose is the best to use. So Daniel, have you any suggestion that sensor are suitable for our PBL test?
I think for the sensor that I want to suggest is water level sensor and pressure sensor. So for both of the sensors, I want to put in the tank and the tank. So first, the water level sensor is to measure the level of water in the tank, and then for the pH sensor, we want to measure the pH level from the beginning, from the water source, and the last at the tank, to make sure the pH of the water is ready to use. Okay, is it okay with my opinion?
I think I agree with your sensor.
Okay, anyone have any other suggestion?
Okay.
Okay, I have.
I guess.
Okay, in my ideas, I believe we should use the TSS sensor because it is good provide accurate value for measuring water quality, meets the criteria and employ cutting edge technology. This sensor will be located in the microfilter tank, which will be the source of the water that will be filtered using the sensor. Okay. And after filtering, the clean water will usually be at the top, while the impurities water will be at the bottom for the discharge process. What about my suggestion? Do you guys agree?
Yes, I agree. So for me, for my suggest for this part is the flow water sensor. So flow water sensor for all of pipe. So I think the good place to put this component at the pump water, before pump and after the pump, by across the pipe. Because to know and maintain flow water and make sure it's a good condition. So what do you guys think? Are you okay with me, my suggest?
I think that's a good
Yes,
suggestion.
I'm totally agree with you.
Anybody? You want to suggest?
Okay, I would like to suggest temperature sensor because I think we can use this sensor at activated carbon. And this temperature sensor will act like a filter for the water system. So this temperature sensor will work when the temperature is high. It can multiply the bacteria effectiveness of chlorine and its effectiveness in killing virus. So what do you guys think?
Yes,
I think it's a good sensor.
I
And
agree.
use that in our project.
I agree.
Yes, but I think we have to use heater at the sensor. That's all.
Okay, next, I want to suggest my opinion. I want to suggest pressure sensor because I think this pressure sensor is suitable to use in tank and osmosis reverse. Because this pressure sensor will act as a transducer, which is it will get the signal as a function of the pressure input. For our project, I think we're going to use differential pressure. So, do you guys think my sensor is okay?
I'm agree
I
with you.
think that is good.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Okay, last but not least, I think we should put one more sensor. So I suggest for pipe pollution filter, we using the turbidity sensor. So this is because in this pipe need to measure the carbonize and hazenize and the concentration of total dissolve and the suspended solids of the solution. So what do you think? It is suitable or not for this pipe?
It's very suitable to use the sensor.
Okay, thank you, Nadira.
Okay, for me, I want to suggest UV sensor for ultraviolet because UV sensor can monitoring how much UV light is passing through the water that's suitable to killing the microorganisms that have in water. Second, why I suggest UV sensor is because to verify the water is not dirty for effective treatment. And last, make sure UV sensor is detecting at a quick UV intensity through the water. So everyone agree with my solution?
Yes,
Yes, I
I totally agree with your sensor description.
Okay, thank you, Alim. I guess everyone already suggest the sensor that are suitable for our water treatment system. So everyone have to make a slide. So we meet in few hours.
Alright, then
Okay.
Okay.
Alright,
understand.
Aris.
Alright.
Assalamualaikum. So I guess this is our last meeting for our project. Okay. This is the final suggestion from everyone to use the suitable sensor for every part of the water treatment system. So first, we suggest to use water level sensor and pH sensor for water tank or for break tank. And second, we suggest to use water level sensor and pH sensor also for tank. Third, we suggest to use flow sensor for pump. And then use total suspended sensor for microfilter. Next, temperature sensor for active carbon, pressure sensor for reverse osmosis, turbidity sensor for polishing filter, and lastly, ultraviolet sensor for ultraviolet. So, I guess everyone ready for the final presentation?
yes, I've prepared for the presentation.
Yes,
Everyone.
I have done with my part. Is present this sensor.
So, I think...
Can I ask? So I ask
Okay.
some question. So should I put advantage and disadvantage for this slide?
I think that is good suggestion to put advantage or disadvantage for our slide, so the Shabas can more understanding for our project. So I guess everyone already.
Sorry guys, can I interrupt? For disadvantage, I think we do not put because we want to propose the project. So if we put this the disadvantage, of course, Shabas don't want their project. So just advantage only. Okay?
Okay.
No,
Agree.
So I guess everyone already and prepared for our final presentation. So I hope we can see in our last presentation to Shabas. So and everyone have to relax while presentation to Shabas. So I hope this project will be success.
Okay.
Alright, I
wish you
hope
luck,
to.
guys.
okay.
See you
Thank you.
guys.
Thank you everyone.